Now बच्चे clear title. See here in book. First top most line untitled one means unsaved spreadsheet. By default untitled one will come. Untitled, where written untitled, this is called title bar. Next is formatting toolbar. बच्चे formatting toolbar, what is the meaning of formatting toolbar? Where written a bold, italic, underline and color, size. See here BIU, A, red, yellow. This is formatting bar. See here बच्चे, where written BIU, yellow color, red color, this line is called formatting toolbar. Formatting toolbar, what is the meaning of formatting toolbar? Formatting toolbar is changing the appearance of text. Means if you want to change the color of text, if you want to change the size of text, if you want to change the appearance of text, for example bold, italic, underline, these all are the formatting options. See here now, suppose we select this sheet, click here and drag. Shortcut key Control plus A. If you want to select a full sheet, then you can press Control plus A with the keyboard, with the help of keyboard. See here बच्चे, Control plus A, both keys together. Now see. Shortcut keys Control plus A and from with mouse. Now this sheet is selected. Formatting toolbar. See here बच्चे, I am clicking on bold. B means bold, dark. Changed italic. Italic means stylish. Underline means underline will come below of text. Came बच्चे. And color, suppose this is used for background color, this bucket is used for background color. Now I changed background color. Again click here this button, choose this color. Came बच्चे, this is background color and where written A, this is used changing the text color. Now text color will change. Click here. Suppose I am taking yellow. देखो. See here बच्चे, background color is blue and text color is yellow. This is called formatting. These all are the options of formatting. This one BIU, color and changing the alignments, right alignment, center alignment, justify alignment. This is called formatting toolbar. Next topic is menu bar. What is the meaning of menu? Upper side, see here बच्चे, written file, edit, view, insert, format, style, sheet, data, tools, windows, help. These all are the menus. That's why it is called menu bar. These all are the menus: file menu, edit menu, view menu, insert, format, style, sheet. See here बच्चे, this software is different. Here written home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. This line is called menu bar. These all are the menus: home menu, insert menu, page layout menu, formulas menu, data menu, review menu and view menu. Clear बच्चे? Standard toolbar, active cell reference, row headers, title bar, formatting toolbar, menu bar. All clear? Active cell. Now active cell. Active cell, I told you. Active cell. This is the cell. Suppose A1, blue color, A1. What is the meaning of active cell? This is the cell in the spreadsheet with the dark boundary. See here with the dark boundary. you can type in into only this cell. In order to type in data in a cell, you must make that cell active by clicking on it and typing in the data. See here बच्चे, now I am clicking just here L orange color L, and from this side 2 L2. Now it is active cell. Now L2 is active cell. Clear बच्चे? active cell in spreadsheet with the dark boundary, that is called active cell. Next one is sheet tabs. Now बच्चे, what is the meaning of sheet tab? See here, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. This is sheet tab. By default in MS Excel 3 sheets are there, but if you want to take sheet 4, sheet 5, then you can change easily. See here, sheet 1, this is sheet tab, sheet 2, sheet 3. Now click on this button. If you want to sheet 4, sheet 4 will come. Came बच्चे sheet 4. Again if you want sheet 5, click here, sheet 5, sheet 6, sheet 7. By default in MS Excel 3 sheets are there, and by default name is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Clear बच्चे? And if you want to take more, then you can click on this button with sheet 7. This is called sheet tab, where written sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. See here बच्चे, in book sheet 1 written here, sheet tab. Next is column headers, row headers. I told you row headers. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means like horizontal. These all are the row headers, means row numbers, and upper side A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L up to so on. These all are column header, means column name. Next one is status bar. What is the meaning of status bar? Status bar बच्चे, the status bar provides information about the spreadsheet and convenient ways to quickly change some of its features. Status bar, see here बच्चे, status bar once in book see in book बच्चे, this is sheet 1, means we are writing data on sheet 1, sheet sequence number, pane style. This line is called status bar. It tells us the status. Clear बच्चे? Downside last is status bar.